Now that all the suspension is bolted on, now you're going to install the tires. Lower the vehicle to a height that's suitable for you, so you're not going to strain your back, and install the rims and tires. Now that all the tires are on, secure, and tightened, we're going to lower the vehicle to the ground. Now that the vehicle's dropped on the ground, with the full weight of the vehicle on the leaf springs, tighten up both the front and rear eyelet bolts for the leaf springs. Now repeat, by having the weight of the vehicle on the leaf springs and then tightening the bolt allows you to get the exact ride height for the vehicle. If you were to have the vehicle in the air with no weight on the springs, your accurate ride height is not going to be right because there's going to be no weight on the springs. So like I said, lower the vehicle down, then tighten the bolts. Now you can see what a dramatic difference 4 inches of suspension and 33 inches of tires does to this little truck. Makes it big. The one thing with this kit, you have a range of adjustment of 3 inches on the front suspension by adjusting the torsion bar. Whether it be you can raise it 3 inches or lower it 3 inches, whether or not to your desired height. On this truck right now, the back sits a little low. We'll test drive it, make sure everything's good from the lift, bring it back in, torque the torsion bars to either give it a lift, whether the customer wants it higher in the front, level, or as is. And this is your lifted Colorado. SS Motorsports.